Hello and welcome to Innovate with Digital. If you need a website to showcase a new product or test out a new concept or ideas, and to do it quickly and effectively, you have come to the right place. Now, there are far too many websites today, some of them even beautifully designed, but useless. Interestingly, there's the uselessweb.com where, like it says, take me to yet another useless website. This is what you don't want. What you do need is a strategy baked into your design process. We recommend a 6 step simple sprint where we first define your ideal audience, who they are, where do they hang out, and so on. Once we have a clear idea of who we are designing the site for, we review the digital landscape, including some of your competitors. Where do they get their traffic from? What's their current website traffic? And what can we learn from them? And we apply all that into a workshop session where we define and design your magic formula from the subscribers and the goal, and how do we get the results we need for your website so we don't end up developing one more of these useless websites. So let's take an example. One of the landing page we built is for learningmastery.co.uk, and as you see, they had a very well designed ebook which they are offering free to their audience so that strangers get acquainted to the actual methods and the depth of the research that they have carried out. You can also use animation video as part of your landing page, and we can help build one for you where needed. And this is typical. This is a typical example of a clean website with a call to action, all built and designed using WordPress.com, which is what we highly recommend that you use WordPress rather than Wix or even Squarespace or one of these other website builders, which turns out expensive in the long run and also not as effective when it comes to your SEO and so on. We also provide a training on how to monitor your SEO performance once we have set that up. So for instance, here you could improve the image alt tags and so on. But before we go into those technical details, this is just to show a highlight of a website means a lot more than putting a few pretty blocks together. You also need to look at very seriously your analytics and dashboard. So we help design essentially a customized dashboard based on your goals and objectives once again. So with that in mind, you are welcome to contact us if you need a clean WordPress landing page designed and developed and have the guidance from our innovation partners and experts. You can get started with one of our basic packages, or you could also, if you want, contact us to get a free strategy session where we put together the plan for your website. Cheers. Bye.